What is up, guys? It's Boss Guy 25DD and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing some Murder Mystery X. So last time I made a video after I went on the game and I traded for a really nice known as Crimson. I traded for it. I was pretty happy that I got it. Oh, I like Radiance. It looks pretty cool. I think that it's better than Crimson. I don't know if anyone will trade me. I don't know if they'll trade me Crimson. Oh, sorry, Radiance. But let's see if I get Murder. No, we'll play. I don't think I want to trade this Crimson yet because I just got it and I haven't done around with it yet. I looked in the value list. It's worth 2 legendaries. I'm pretty sure. Which is like 2 exotics in like Assassin. Because the legendaries in this are the same like tier base in Assassin. Because there's 5 tiers in Assassin, and exotics is the 4th tier. So in the legendary is the 4th tier. So I basically have 2 exotics, but it's more like 2 legendaries in this game. This guy, they're trying to. What's this? Okay. It's kind of fun looking. I really like it. Look, I like that. It has like the same like color as Proton from Assassin, but it doesn't look the same. I think I'm not gonna trade this. I don't think I want to. Soccer Crusher has a Hunter Knife and 2 polkas, and they're so high level. Probably because that's all they play. I don't play this that much, but I'm playing it. Oh gosh, no! Why did I fall down here? Yeah. I like this. Maybe I should use Crimson and Money. Good thing I didn't get rid of that. Money's my favorite. Holy crap! Screenshot, guys. That was literally such a fooling thing to say. Oh, they're going for me. Oh, go, come on. Are you kidding me? No. They're coming. I think I know where they are. Yeah, they're down. They're down. Oh my gosh, no. Come on. Wait for them to come out. Come up, get up. Come on, go. We can do this together as friends. Oh my gosh. No, there she is. There she is. There she is. No, there she is. Get her. Get her. She's the murderer. Come on. I'll be the bait. I'll be the bait. Do it. Bait. Whoa, run. Oh my gosh, no, noob. She's camping. Oh. Dottie. Screenshot, guys. Oh, I killed you. Sorry. It's like limited. Wait, let me see if you can get it. No, I don't think you can. Yeah, you can't get it anymore. Best idea ever to trade for it. I think I should save up for something. Thunderbolt. Shark. What do you have, Shark? I have Crimson. What do they want? Exactly. I already have Crimson! You should have went in my inventory to see if I had anything you had. And of course, I have Crimson. How am I a noob? How am I a noob? Oh gosh. Oh, fun. No! They're hiding. Because they know I just got the gun. Got him. How am I noob? I got you. How am I noob? I got you. Lol. Bonus round. Hopefully it's the murder amount. I want to try this knife. I haven't tried it yet. My girl's having no Robux. Is not having Robux. I have Robux. I love my penguin. Oh, darn it. I didn't. Hopefully it's not gun. And it's like. See? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I got it, guys. Woohoo. Oh, let's see this. No, don't care about that. No. Can you literally not? Oh gosh. What is? Holy crap. Oh my gosh, I think I almost hit them. Holy crap. Might have liked the last one. Got him. Are you having no Robuxes? Yeah. Holy crap. Get him. Oh my gosh. They know they're dead. Dude. Shift. Why did I shift? They are good at this game. Oh, I think. Oh, that was so close. Hi there. You're gonna die. They're coming over, I think. This is gonna be so hard. Don't die on me, please. I don't want to face this guy alone. Go in there. That was hack move. Oh, come on. I knew that guy would die on me. Holy crap. Come on. What team on? Oh. Nobody won that. Oh my gosh. She is not having 1 million Robux. Who did I face? I forget. That was a good one. TBN. No, that guy has bombastic. How do you get bombastic again? Asylum. Let's do asylum. I am. Yeah, you. But innocent again. Oh well. I know what. A couple of days ago, I almost unboxed Blaze. I didn't. So if I did, I wouldn't have traded all of my. Oh gosh, no. Oh gosh, stop. No, don't do this. It's the murderer. Oh gosh. Oh, it's the murderer. I could tell. No, it's not. Oh gosh, it's the murderer. I could tell. Oh no, it's not. So I heard the killing from a mile away. It was not. I better escape. I wonder who the murderer actually is, though. It's kind of hard to tell. No. It's him. It's him. It's him. I found him. I think he's camping the gun. That's what all players do. They always camp the gun. What? Did the sheriff just shoot me? Yeah, the sheriff shot me! Why? Why? I don't like this. How do I get off this? How do I minimize? What's minimize mean? Exactly, he's camping! What? Oh my gosh! He's the only one left! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, that's literally so funny! Oh my gosh! It's so funny! You're in the game! Oh my gosh! He's walking around scratching his head. Where is the last guy? He's in the lobby! the things that glitches do for this game is so funny. Oh my gosh. Look at this guy. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious. That's not a doge, dude. Walrus. Yes. I had to pay a lot of knives for it. But I got it. We're gonna win. This guy's going around scratching his head like, where is the last guy? Oh man. This is funny. Where's the last guy? I'm scratching my head. I don't think that's what he sounds like. He's using Tofu's knife. And a grass gun. I'm using mine. He's scratching his head. Yeah, we're winning. Whoa. That was lag like crazy. That was crazy lag. That was literally so crazy. That was so crazy. Like, the lag made it so he survived. He's innocent and he's in the lobby. Oh my gosh, if we win this, I'm gonna be so happy. This is gonna be so funny. Oh my gosh! That actually happened! That actually happened, literally. Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! That is all for this time, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Please be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and goodbye.